Hello dear children, welcome back. This video is for chapter 4 geometry. In this chapter we will learn about the geometrical concepts such as lines, line segments, rays and angles. Children, we will see about point. What is a point? It is a dot. A point is an exact location in space or a flat surface. So, we will denote the point with a capital letter. A line. A line is a collection of points that continues forever in both directions. So, here the given line is a line M. How will you read this, children? Line M. So, the name of the line is M. A line can be long or short, flat or slant or vertical. Line can be extended in both the directions without end. A line passes through 2 points A and B is written as line AB. And also we can denote it with the letter, small letter M. So, how will you read this, children? Line M. Line segment. Here children, the blue color is a line. So, part of a line is a line segment. So, the pink color line with 2 endpoints is a line segment. So, a line segment is a part of a line with 2 endpoints. So, namely we can write it as A and B. We can measure its length. We can use the capital letters to denote the ends of the line segment. So, how will you read this, children? Here we can read this as line segment AB. Lines that go on forever on either side without meeting each other at a constant distance are called parallel lines. So, parallel lines never meet each other. Let us see some examples for parallel lines. Most of you would say railway track as the example for parallel lines. Let us see some more examples of parallel lines. So, here are the examples for parallel lines. Children, think and tell me what will happen if two lines are not parallel. They must meet at any point. So, those lines are called as intersecting lines. Hence, intersecting lines are lines that pass through the same point. Here the two lines are N and M. So, these two lines N and M meet at a common point O. So, this point O is called as point of intersection. Children, here we are seeing some of the examples of intersecting lines. Next concept is a ray. A ray is also a part of a line. It has one end point and it goes on in one direction without any end. Hence, a ray starts from one point and extends in one direction forever. So, that fixed end point of a ray is called as the starting point. It is denoted by ray AB with 2 alphabets capital letters.